So boys, after doing part E, we will move toward our next sum, that is subtract the following: 35 liters 755 milliliter from 49 liter 500 milliliter. As you can see, there is from. It means we have to subtract this from this. I have told you that whenever it is from in subtract sum, so the value that comes after from will come first and the value that is before from will come second. You can see boys that 49 liter 5000 milliliter. So I have written it first, 500 milliliter. And here you can see the first one is 35 liter 755 milliliter. So we have to start writing from the right hand side: 500 0, 500 0, 705 and 509, 304. Now, can we subtract 5 from 0? No, so we had to borrow from it. It is also 0. Now we will ask borrow from it. It will become 4, giving it 1, and this is 10. Now it will become 9, giving it 1. It is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay. 9 minus 5 is 4. Can we subtract 7 from 4? It is a no. So the neighboring digit is 9. It will become 8 and give 1 to 4. So it is 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. 8 minus 5 is 3. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So you can see boys, I have written 13 liters 745 milliliter. That is our answer. So boys, after this we will move toward our next sum, that is 440 liter 220 milliliter from 500 liter. We have to subtract. So you can see this is the value after from. I have written it first. There is only liter in it. There is nothing in milliliter. But this value in liters it has 440 and milliliter it has 220. So what we are going to do, you have to remember that if there is nothing we can subtract 220 from. So what we have to do, we have to write 0 0 0. Okay, because 0 has no value if there is not a number before it. If there is 1, then it will become 1000. Okay, so let's subtract 0 from 0 is 0. Can we subtract 2 from 0? No. So what we are going to do is we will borrow from the neighboring digit, and all the neighboring digit except 5 are zeros. So this 5 will become 4. It will give 1 to this, and this is 10. Now will become 9. 10. Now will become 9. 10. Now will become 9. Now it is 10. Because the next digit is 0 and under it is also 0. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay boys. 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. So I am not going to write 4 minus 4 is 0. I will write in our answer 59 liters 780 milliliters. So boys, here we have written our answer. Our next sum, that is part C. In part C is after from there is 30 liter 500 milliliter. Means there are liter as well and milliliter. But before it is only liters. So what we are going to do, first we will write liter and milliliter over here. And as I have told you, the value that come after from, that is 30 liter 500 milliliter, will come first. I will write 30 in liters and 500 in milliliter, 0, 0 and 5. Okay. Now I will write the subtract sign because we are doing subtraction and there is nothing in the milliliter, only 22 is in the liter, 2 and 2. And I have told you if there is nothing in the liters, we can write 0, 0, 0 because subtracting 0 from 500 will not affect our answer. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 0 is 5. We cannot subtract 2 from 0. So this 3 will become 2 and it will become 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 2 minus 2 is 0. So our answer is 8 liter 500 milliliters. Here you can see, boys. After doing part C, we will move toward part D, boys. It is we have to subtract 1350 milliliter from 1700 milliliter. It is so easy, they both are milliliter, you can subtract it. I am leaving this sum on you. Now we will do word problem, and for word problem we have to read the word problem 2 or 3 times so we may know what they desired. We have to read word problems 2 to 3 times so we can understand it properly. A water tanker carried 12,000 liters of water. It means there is a water tanker, in it 12,000 liter of water. It delivered 5,000 liter of water to a house. Okay. They went to the house and gave them 5,000 liter of water. What quantity of water is left? As you know, and we have learned that there are some words that show us what we are going to do in a word problem. Here is the word left. Left means how much now we have. So it means we have to do subtraction. Okay. So our first statement will be a water tanker carried equals to 12,000 liter water. We will write in the solution over here. So boys, as I was teaching you and you heard the voice of azan, so it is our duty that we have to keep quiet while it is azan and give answer of azan. Okay. Now what we are going to do, our first statement is a water tanker carried equals to 12,000 liter water. It delivered equals to 5,000 liter water. Water left. It means what we are going to do, we are going to subtract 5,000 liter from 12,000 liter. 12,000 liter minus 5,000 liter, and what we read it as, we will read we have to subtract 5,000 from 12,000. Okay, so as you know 12 minus 5 is 7, so our answer is 7,000 liters of water is left. Okay, now we have to write the answer in the word, so we have to write 7,000 liter water is left. You can see I have written 7,000 liter water is left. So boys, our classwork for today is we have done activity of converting liters into milliliters. We have done all parts of question number 5 and all parts of question number 6. We have also done the word problem number 1 of page number 124 on our copy. So your homework for today is, boys, you have to do question number 4 and 6 full of page number 124 on